Now we're going to transition in the class inheritance. It's going to be a simple case of it so we don't get too complex. And so I'm just going to create another comment here for inheritance. What we're going to do to start off is create a new class. So I'm going to create a class for A, and it's going to be fairly simple. Let's see, I want to create a body, and we're going to declare a section for our public, and this is going to be an int A. We'll create a constructor, and in here we're going to do this and assign for A equals 2. Scroll up here. Let's see, just move this down a little bit. Then we'll create one method which is going to be print, and we'll see out the value. So we'll just do something like value of A in class A, like that, and we'll print out that value. All right, so that's our class A. We're going to now create a class B, and we want B to inherit from A, and this basically means that B will be able to use things inside of A. So what I want it to do is create a public for A like this using this particular syntax, and now create the body for this class. So inside of B, I'm going to create a public, and we're going to have B, integer B, as a public, and now I'm going to create a constructor, and we're just going to do an assignment of B equals 5. We'll have a void as well for a method, so we're going to do print A and B. And in here we're going to call print, which is this print up here coming out of A. We're going to see out, and we're going to say something like this. So value of B in class B, so we can determine the difference happening between the two. And we're going to assign B, or just display B. We're going to access B and display it. Now to use this, I'm just going to go down to the bottom here, and now we're going to go ahead and create an instance. So I'm going to do B object. So we're just creating a variable called object of type B, and then I am going to access properties on B. So I want to access print AB so we can see how that works. And save, just go ahead and print out. So here we are. So value of A and B is 2, or value of A and value of B and B is 5. So our print is making use of, let's go back up here, the print that came out of A. And so let's see here, we have property or a field A that is public. We have this print that is public as well. Okay, so down here we have obj dot, and you can see the things we're able to access. We can access A, we can access print. These are all coming off of A, the class A, and not the class B. So I can even do something like that, and let's just run it and put my semicolon, try this again. There we are. So directly accessing a method off of A, it doesn't have to be wrapped inside of a method that's in B for us to access anything in A. We can just come right off of A like that. So that is a quick look at how inheritance works in C++.